After a long wait, Honda Nepal has brought us 350cc segment Honda Highness CB350, a retro-designed motorbike in Nepal. Today, in this video, we will be talking about the bike's specifications, price, tax, mileage, power, look. Before commencing the video, welcome to the channel Sparker, a channel related to energy, electricals, and automobiles. Honda Highness CB350 is a retro-look, old-school design motorbike with cutting-edge technology in 350cc segment. It has got a long legacy internationally and also in Nepal. It was used by security personnel during King Birendra's legacy and also used by Nepal police as an escort bikes. Knowing more about this motorcycle, it's a very well-designed, attractive motorcycle targeted for every gentle riders despite their ages. It has got a powerful, reliable engine made by Yachium Honda Motors in Japan. Bike is full of decent technology despite its classic look. It has got beautiful chrome design in mudguards and silencer pipe. Bike is very comfortable to ride for a commute use, highway ride or touring along with relaxing pillion experiences. The seat height of the bike is 800mm, so it is suitable for riders with height over 5 foot 3 inches. Its handlebars are upright, so easy for the comfort rides. Honda has released two versions of Honda Highness CB350, Honda Highness CB350 DLX and Honda Highness CB350 DLX Pro, but Honda Nepal has brought the DLX version only. In the near future, hope DLX Pro version will arrive too. Analyzing design and looks, it resembles with popular British bike Triumph Bonneville in Scrambler version. On the same power and design segment, there already exists Royal Enfield Classic 350 and Java 300 motorcycles. They were released prior to CB350, but CB is revealed to be more optimized version on the segment, though customer has to have more detailed testing and information before getting one. CB350 DLX comes in three color modes: All Night Star Black, Precious Red Metallic, and Mate Marshall Green Metallic.
CB350 comes with an amazing speedometer, a single panel board with analog speed meter and digital board, control with two switches. It shows speed, real-time mileage, RPM, traction control, range, fuel, time, gear position among 5 gear positions. Moreover, on the panel, it has got LED panel indicating traction control on and off, side stand with engine inhibitor, headlamp and hazard switch indicator. Engine does not start when stand is lowered. It's a special safety feature provided.
Now, talking about the specifications, it has following engine features. It has got a 4-stroke spark ignition engine. Its approximate displacement is 348.36 cc. It has got a maximum net power of 15.5 kW at 5500 rpm and 30 Nm at 3000 rpm is its maximum net torque. It has got PGM FI fuel injection system as a fuel system. Its compression ratio is 9.5:1 and it starts by self-starting method. Talking about the seemingly physical quantities of this bike, that is its body dimensions, it has got a length of 2163mm, width of 800mm, height of 1107mm up to mirror height. It has got a pretty cool ground clearance which is 166mm. It often helps for off-road riding too. Its curb weight is 181 kg. It has got a seat height of 800mm and its total fuel tank capacity is 15 liters. Tires of Honda Highness CB350 comes with Y-shaped alloy wheels. It has got 19-inch 100/90 profile front wheel and 18-inch 130/70 profile rear wheel. Honda has not compromised in safety this time as before and has braking system of dual channel ABS with front disc brake 310mm diameter and rear 240mm diameter.
CB350 provides Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) that enables riders to choose torque as per requirements. Another amazing feature is Honda Smartphone Voice Control System, which is a feature that connects with smartphone, but it is only available in DLX Pro version. CB350 makes riding more convenient as it has got assist and sleeper clutch. Honda has provided beautiful circular LED headlight along with ring type LED backlight and side light controlled by 12-volt 6 amps DC battery. In the handlebar, we get easy automatic engine start-stop switch along with emergency light control switch. Price of CB350 in Nepal. Its after launch price is 7,50,000 and it has also announced offer of 50,000 discount for pre-order clients depicting introductory price of 6,99,000. Talking about the tax of 350cc internal combustion engine vehicle is for the budget of Nepal government of fiscal year 2077-78, CB350 owner has to pay 9,000 as annual tax to the government. This much for this video. If you like the video, like it, comment queries, and if you want similar videos in the days to come, you can subscribe to the channel Sparkle. Thank you.